This video shows you how to fully optimize Windows 11 for gaming in 2026 using powerful system tweaks that unlock your PC's true performance. If you are using a gaming PC or laptop and dealing with low FPS, stutters, frame drops, or poor CPU and GPU performance, this guide will help you fix it step by step. Make sure you watch till the end for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe for more performance and gaming optimization guides.
So guys, in the first step, we need to make sure Windows 11 itself is rock solid. Even powerful gaming PCs can lose FPS if the operating system is dealing with hidden errors, corrupted system files, or background instability. This step is all about cleaning and stabilizing Windows 11 so your system can deliver maximum FPS, smoother gameplay, and better overall responsiveness. Start by opening the Start menu, typing CMD, then right-clicking on Command Prompt and choosing Run as Administrator. Once the command window opens, copy the first command provided in the video description, paste it inside the window, and press Enter. This command uses the DISM Restorehealth process, which scans your entire Windows image for hidden problems and automatically repairs or replaces damaged components. The scan can take a few minutes, so let it finish without closing anything. After that is complete, copy the second command from the description and run it the same way. This one activates the System File Checker, which performs a deep-level scan of all protected Windows system files and replaces any corrupted or missing files with clean, original versions. Together, these two scans ensure your Windows 11 installation is clean, stable, and fully optimized, creating the perfect foundation for all the gaming performance tweaks we will apply next in our guide on how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming in 2026. Now guys, we are going to reduce unnecessary background activity by disabling background apps through the Group Policy Editor. In Windows 11, many built-in apps continue running silently in the background, consuming RAM, using CPU cycles, and occasionally waking up your system at the worst possible time during gaming. To do this, press Windows key plus R, type gpedit.msc, and press Enter to open the local Group Policy Editor. Once it opens, navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and finally go into App Privacy. On the right side, look for the policy called Let Windows Apps Run in the Background, and double-click on it. Set this option to Enabled. Then, in the drop-down menu below, choose Force Deny, and click Apply, followed by OK. By enabling this policy, you are telling Windows 11 to block Microsoft Store apps from running in the background system-wide. This significantly lowers background CPU usage, reduces RAM consumption, and minimizes random performance drops during gameplay. After applying this setting, restart your PC to make sure the changes fully take effect. Now guys, in the next step, we are going to improve system performance using registry editor tweaks. These adjustments fine-tune how Windows allocates CPU and GPU resources, making sure your games always get top priority for smoother performance, faster response times, and more stable FPS. To begin, open the Windows search bar, type Registry Editor, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator to ensure full access. Once the registry editor opens, copy the first registry path provided in the video description. Paste it into the address bar at the top and press Enter to jump directly to the correct location. The first value you will edit is Affinity. Double-click on it, set the value data to F, and make sure the base is set to hexadecimal before clicking OK. This allows Windows to fully utilize all available CPU cores for gaming-related tasks, preventing performance limitations caused by restricted core usage. Next, locate background only and change its value to false. This ensures your games are treated as active foreground processes, not background tasks, so Windows does not reduce their performance priority while you are playing. After that, find GPU priority, open it, and set the value data to E with the base set to hexadecimal. This forces Windows to prioritize your graphics card during rendering, helping reduce frame drops and improving overall visual smoothness during demanding scenes. Now move to the priority key and set its value data to 6. This gives gaming processes a higher CPU execution priority, which improves responsiveness and helps reduce input delay. Then locate Scheduling Category and FSIIO priority and set both values to high. These settings tell Windows to treat your game as a high-importance task, speeding up data handling and minimizing loading delays. Once all these changes are applied, close the registry editor. At this point, you have instructed Windows 11 to focus its system resources heavily toward gaming performance. After applying this step, games receive top-level priority across the system. CPU and GPU resources are distributed more efficiently. Stutters and frame drops are reduced, and load times, along with input latency, become noticeably lower. Alright guys, in the next step, we are going to further optimize your online gaming experience using GearUp Booster. This tool helps improve routing efficiency and reduce ping, giving you lower latency, faster response times, and smoother online gameplay, especially in competitive titles.
To get started with GearUp Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUp Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS.
So guys, in the next step, we are going to disable memory compression. During gaming, this process often causes micro stutters, unstable frame times, and unexpected FPS drops because Windows is constantly compressing and decompressing data in the background. To apply this tweak, open the Start menu, type PowerShell, then right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Once it is open, go to the video description, copy the command provided there, paste it into the PowerShell window, and press Enter. This command disables the memory compression feature at the system level. If memory compression is already disabled on your PC, nothing will change. So this step is completely safe. After the command finishes running, simply close PowerShell. With memory compression disabled, Windows 11 will manage your RAM more directly, instead of constantly juggling compressed data in the background. This leads to smoother frame pacing, reduced stuttering, and more consistent FPS. Alright guys, in this step of how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming in 2026, we are going to disable unnecessary Windows services that quietly limit your system's performance. These background services consume CPU power, RAM, disk activity, and even network bandwidth, all of which should be fully available for your games instead. Start by opening the Windows search bar, typing Services, and opening the Services app. You will now see a complete list of background services running on your system. The first service to locate is the Background Intelligent Transfer service. This service is mainly used for downloading updates in the background when your PC is idle, but during gaming, it can cause bandwidth drops, lag spikes, and network instability. Right-click on it, open Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled, click Apply and OK, and if it is currently running, click Stop before closing the window. Next, scroll down and find Remote Desktop Services. This service allows remote connections to your PC, something most gamers never use on their personal systems. Leaving it enabled only adds unnecessary background load. Right-click on it, open Properties, change the startup type to Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Now move on to the most important one, sysmain, previously known as Superfetch. This service preloads frequently used apps into memory to speed up launch times, but for gaming, it often causes high disk usage, random stutters, and inconsistent FPS, especially on low to mid-range systems. To disable it, right-click sysmain, open Properties, set startup type to Disabled, click Stop if it is running, then apply the changes and press OK. Once these services are disabled, your system will run much leaner and more focused. You will free up CPU resources, reduce unnecessary RAM usage, and eliminate background bandwidth activity. The result is higher FPS, lower input delay, and smoother, more consistent gameplay across all your games in 2026. That's it for this guide. Apply these tweaks and enjoy smoother FPS and better performance. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment below for more optimization guides.